Hey guys, my name is John. Just want to do a little video here about my chainsaws. Today is October 25th, 2013. It's about 32 degrees, really weird weather we're having. It was snowing earlier. But anyway, I have a Johnsrud 2040 Turbo. I acquired this off of Craigslist. Only issue with it is it's not the original clutch cover. It's off of a Husqvarna. Then I have a Husqvarna 435. Got this off a buddy of mine. I actually traded a steel. I'm not a steel guy, sorry, but I'm not. It's a good running saw. This one is a McCulloch Wildcat. Same class as the McCulloch Pro, like Pro Mac 310, stuff like that, or Mac 310. Great running saws. I'm gonna start them up here for you. As you see, they're all cold. They've been in my outbuilding. Just gonna fire them up here and let you see how they run, and hopefully you enjoy. Start with the McCulloch first. Now, mind you, it is very cold. It's very, very cold out here. Next, we'll do the Johnsrud. This one's a little harder to start for some reason, but it runs really good once it gets warm. It's a very good running saw. Next we'll go with Husqvarna. I heat with firewood, so therefore, I had to have saws all year round. I'm always cutting wood. There, choke it up on it. Choke down. This saw here, I give $20 for it at a flea market. It's a great running saw. I've actually, when this saw was made, it came out with an 18-inch bar. Right now, I have a 12-inch bar on it, but I have both bars just in case. It's a really good cutting saw. This, the actual starter, the one that was on it broke because I bought a whole other saw at a different flea market. So I have a part saw. This one, got off Craigslist. Give the guy $40 for it. Came home, changed the fuel lines in it, put a new spark plug. It didn't have the clutch cover, so I had to get one, which Husqvarna and Johnsrud, a lot of their parts, most of their parts, almost all their parts are interchangeable. It's a good running saw. This one, like I said, I traded a steel 028 for it, older saw. I couldn't be happier with this. This is just, Husqvarnas are just amazing saws. They really are. They never fail to start. Good cutting saws. Anyway, just wanted to show you my chainsaw collection, and if you have any tips or advice or anything, feel free to comment.